Welcome back to this video. On this video, I will show you how to start a recharge card printing business with free bonuses. In the next few minutes, I will show you step by step on how to generate print recharge card for both MTN, Airtel, Glo and Now Mobile using the DSOP app. It takes less than 2 minutes, and once you learn it, you may never want to try it again. The very first thing you have to head over to your Google Play Store, open your Play Store, or if you are using an iPhone, go over to your browser and visit www.thesop.com.ng. Next thing you need to do is to come down below here, click on search, type in DSOP on your Google Play Store, then hit the search button. It's going to take you right here. Next thing you have to do is to make sure you install this app. So click on install. After successful download, click on open. So welcome to DSOP. Once you are inside, you will see two main buttons, register and login. If you're a new member, tap on register, fill in the details and register successfully. But if you're already a user like me, simply tap on login, put in your details and you are in within seconds. Before we continue, kindly subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn on the notification bell so you never miss our future tutorials. Now let's get started. Before you buy recharge pins, you need to have money in your DSOP wallet. Right now, I have 5,100 Naira in my wallet. But let me quickly show you how to fund yours. Tap on add money, select bank transfer, tap on generate account number. DSOP will instantly generate a PalmPay account number just for you. Copy that account number, head over to your bank app and transfer any amount you want to fund your wallet with. And here's the good news. Your wallet will be credited instantly, zero funding charges, 100% free. Now that your wallet is funded, let's buy recharge pins. From the dashboard, tap on airtime pin and select buy new pin. Choose your network. For this video, I'm selecting MTN. Select plan. You will see domination of 100 Naira, 200 Naira, 500 Naira and 1000 Naira. I will select size 100 at the rate of 98 Naira only for this tutorial. Now let's enter the quantity you intend to purchase. You can buy 10,000 pieces, 1,000 pieces, 100 pieces or 1 piece. I'll go ahead to purchase a piece. Enter your business name, the name that will appear on the recharge card when printed. Then tap on continue. Enter your transaction pin and proceed. Within seconds, boom, your airtime pin is generated instantly. Let's quickly test our airtime pin. Go over to your dashboard, tap on airtime pin and select purchase pin to preview all your purchase pin. Right here, select the recently purchased pin. From here, you can either share, print or download the pins. But I will copy the pin to recharge. Go over to your phone dial pad and type *311*. You input the pin hash. Then let's proceed. You can see that our pin is now activated successfully. Here is the free bonus. Go over to your DSOP dashboard, tap on profile. You will see option to upgrade to agent and also vendor. As an agent or vendor, get all the services at lower prices. To upgrade to agent, you have to tap on agent. It only costs 4,500 Naira only for the upgrade and it's lifetime. That's my next video on how to upgrade to agent for better revenue. See you soon. Download the DSOP app right now from Play Store or visit www.thesop.com.ng. Thanks for watching.